Hi student, we are starting with the fourth chapter, that is Reconstitution of Partnership, the retirement of partner. First was the admission of a partner. Now we started a retirement of a partner. So in this chapter we are going to study introduction, new ratio, and we are how to find out the new ratio and gain ratio, treatment of goodwill and transfer of reserve fund and journal reserves, accumulated profit or loss, and revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities, adjustments of capitals, and total payable amount to retiring partner. So these are the contents we are going to study in the retirement of partner. So first we studied in the first reconstitution of partnership, in the admission of partner also studied. In this we are going to study, first we'll see that what is the introduction of retirement of a partner. When a one member ceases to be a partner and the remaining partners continue to carry on the business of the firm, it is called as a retirement of a partner. So one is getting a retirement, person is getting retirement, and others are continuing the business, continuing the partnership in business in the firm. So that is called a partner, retirement of a partner. So that is called as a retirement of a partner. And it is one of the modes of reconstitution of partnership. The new partnership business will continue with the remaining partners, and the retiring partner will get the amount payable to him after considering net balance of capital and current account. His share of profit or loss on revaluation of assets and liabilities, his share of accumulated profit, goodwill, account, etc. Partner may retire from the business due to old age, misunderstandings amongst the partners, loss in business, or want to start a new business venture. Want to start new business venture, so he's getting retired from the partnership. This is about the what is the meaning of a retirement of a partner. And a partner may retire on the basis of by giving a notice to remaining partners in the case of partnership at will, in accordance with the agreement by the partners and with the consent of all the partners. With the consent of all the partners, he will get a retired, and with the agreement, accordance with the agreement by the partners. And this is about the partners may retire like this. And now we'll see new ratio. After partner changing, one partner is getting retired, so he will get his amount and need to prepare a balance sheet and his partner's capital account and profit and loss adjustment account. After, so now we'll see what is the new ratio. The new ratio, the ratio in which partner. So, what is the meaning of new ratio? The new ratio in which the continuing partner decide to share the future profits and losses is known as a new profit sharing ratio. So, new profit sharing ratio means if there is a 5 is to 3 is to 2 ratio, the profit sharing ratio. So, in that, one partner is going to retire from the firm business. So, that he is who is getting retirement, his ratios will distribute to the who is continuing in the firm, they will distribute the new ratio, new profit sharing ratio, that is called new ratio. So we'll see first some problems on the new ratio. So first one, A, B and C share profits and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 2 is to 1. If B retires, what will be the new ratio? Answer, the new ratio of A and C will be 4 is to 1. So B ratio is 2, A ratio is 4 and C ratio is 1. So B is getting retired. So for the new ratio of A and C will be 4 is to 1. It is cancelling by B share. And second one, X, Y and Z share profits and losses equally. Z, Z retires and his share is acquired by X and Y in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So answer calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So old ratio is x is to y is to y, x is to y is to z is a 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1 is to 1 ratio. So z share is required by x and y in the ratio of 3 is to 1. They are sharing the ratio in a 3 is to 1. So x gains 1 by 3, this one by 3 into 3 by 4, gaining ratio 3 by 4. So he will get as 3 by 12 rupees, 12. And y's gain is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. He'll get a 1 by 12 amount. So x gain is 3 by 12 and y's gain is 1 by 12, means 3 is to 1 ratio. And x new share is 1 by 3 into plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 12, so equals 7 by 12 is the new share for the uh, who is going to continue for the x partner, and y's x partner and y's new share is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. So he will get 1 by 3 and 1 by 12 this amount, so that he will get a 5 by 12. So, new profit sharing ratio of X and Y is 7 is to 5. So, the partner, before it was a 3 is to 1 ratio, 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1 ratio, word ratio. So, now new profit sharing ratio of X and Y is 7 is to 5 because Z is getting retired from the business firm. This is a calculation of new ratio. Calculation of new ratio. Now we'll see the gain benefit ratio, the ratio in which the continuing partner acquires the retaining partner share, retiring partner share. So the ratio in which the continuing partners acquire the retiring partner share, they will acquire retiring partner share, is called as a gain ratio. It is normally used to write off goodwill created or raised into the extent of retiring partners' share only. It is normally used to write off goodwill created or raised to the extent of retiring partners' share only. That is gain ratio equals new ratio minus old ratio. How we will calculate the formula is gain ratio equals new ratio minus old ratio. So we'll see the first one problem. A, B and C are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 2. This is a old ratio. They are sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 2. B retires and A and C share future profits equally. Both A and C are sharing the profit equally. B is getting retired. Calculate gain ratio. So gain ratio equals new ratio minus old ratio. So A's gain is 1 by 2 minus 4 by 9. So he will get a 1 by 1 divided by 18. And C's gain is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 2. This is a gaining ratio of old ratio. This is new ratio is 2 by 9. So he will get a 5 by 18 rupees. 18. So gain ratio of A and C is 1 is to 5. So their gain ratio of A and C is 1 is to 1. And next is X, Y and Z are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 2. Z retires the new ratio of X and Y is 3 is to 2. Calculate the gain ratio. So their old ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2. Z is getting retired from the business partnership, and new ratio of X and Y is 3 is to 2. This is a new ratio. So X gain ratio, old ratio minus new ratio minus old ratio. So gain new ratio is 3. 3 divided by 5 minus 4 by 9 is the old ratio. So here total amount is total gaining ratio is 7 by 45, and the Y's gain ratio, Y's gain is 2 minus 3 by 9, because Z is getting retired. 3 by 9, so their gaining ratio is 3 by 45. So gain ratio of X and Y is 7 is to 3, 7 and 3. And again, P, Q and R, and P, Q and R and partner sharing profits in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. Q retired, calculate the gain ratio. Old ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 1, and new ratio is 2 is to 1. So gain ratio equals new ratio minus old ratio. That is, new ratio is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 5 equals 4 by 15 rupees. And after getting LCM, he will get a 4 by 15. And as gain is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 equals 2 by 15. So their P and R gaining ratio is 4 is to 2, or it is 2 is to 1 ratio.